Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the paper guide for any HP printer. You can see this paper guide is broken, so I'll show you how to replace it with another one. So the first thing you want to do is to disassemble the printer and remove the covers that is covering the two sides, both the right hand and the left hand side, and then the cover at the bottom of the printer. So I'm going to show you how to do all of that right now, and then how to replace it with a new paper guide. I have a new paper guide I'm going to use to replace this one. So in case you haven't done already, I'd like you to like and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, from printers to scanners, computers, and all kinds of office equipment. So I'm going to take out the covers on the right hand side, on the left hand side, at the bottom of the printer. This will help me get access to the clip that is holding the paper guide in place, so that I can remove the old one and put the new one. So this is the new one I'm going to be replacing it with. You can see it moves freely the way it ought to. So I'm going to clean out the area with my brush and remove the debris and the dust that has built up there over time. So while replacing this, you want to watch out for the clips that is holding the paper guide in place. There's a clip here on the right hand side and on the left hand side. It has to click inside the clip. If not, it won't hold it down. You will notice that it will tilt forward a bit as if it's tilting upward. Once it's tilting upward, that means it has not keyed inside the slot that it is meant to key in. So once it keys inside the slot, it moves freely and everything is fine. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to couple the printer back and then do a test run on the printer. Okay, so I'm going to test print. So the paper guide is working fine, and then the test print is fine, and it picks up paper easily. So I can now print my any size of paper